Welcome back to another POV, I guess. How's everybody doing? Hope you all are doing well. I'm doing well myself, I guess. Can't complain. Another day in paradise. But we are heading home from Mexico, and the roads are pretty nice, so let's go ahead and get a little POV, I guess. But I won't talk too much. I'll let you guys enjoy the sounds of the supercharger, exhaust, maybe a little bit of wind too, I don't know. But yeah, enjoy the ride. I need to get some like LED lights in here, like those strips or whatever, to make it look better inside, some lights or whatever, you know what I mean? It's kind of dark in this bitch. The reflection from my gauge is like bouncing off the freaking glass and all that. Redline this car to have fun or go fast. Like, it's literally fast from 0 to 3, or it's literally fast right when you step on that shit. You would have to drive one or own one to understand. You don't gotta build boost up top. Like, boost hits immediately. Handling just sucks though. Still gotta get motor mounts done. That's what's probably feeling like my motor feels like it's sagging, man. So that's why I'm not like going crazy. But something feels a little off. You know what I mean? Like, I just don't feel 100%. So I gotta do a bunch of shit. But I mean, it is a tank. I beat the fuck out of it every so often. Like now.
In about 10 miles, turn right.
In about 10 miles. Downshift and the freaking high beam. That supercharger. Can you guys hear it? Mexico roads are crazy nice. Wasn't even hitting up top like that, man. So fast. Yo. Got 2 miles? Everything in my car is rattling right now, bruh. Like, what the fuck? Like, what the heck is it? Whatever. Well, hope you guys enjoyed that POV. Until next time. The rattling kind of killed my whole mood now. We're gonna go figure out what the heck's going on with the rattle bullshit. But you guys have a blessed night, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.